What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video what I want to talk to you about is how to use one social media platform to help another one build up. So imagine this for a second. Let's say that you have a social media page like I do over here. It's called The Nature Seeker. It has over 153,000 followers, and typically what I did and continue to do for the most part is I post content on this Facebook page regularly, about 4 Reels videos like these that you see over here, and this page is monetized. It makes me money, but I also send traffic from this page from every single post that I have back to my website. So there's a comment here that I created, and basically what it does is it allows people extra traffic from Facebook to come to my website, which I also monetize. And basically this helps give me a steady stream of traffic from Facebook. So here's a report. In the last 30 days, my website has received over 11,000 visitors. Great, this is fine. You should be doing this with places like Facebook. You should be building up an Instagram page, a YouTube page, and sending these sources of traffic back to your website to build it up. But what about if you're not sending it back to your website? What if you have, let's say, a YouTube channel that you just started growing and it's growing really slowly? Why not give it that boost from, let's say, another source like Facebook, but instead of linking to your website in some cases, link it to your YouTube channel to help it grow? This is exactly what I've been experimenting with for the past few days, and it's showing me results. So imagine a portion of this traffic that's here is going to help grow a YouTube channel. So in this particular case, what I've started doing is 4 times a day, I'll continue to post content like you see over here that links back to my website. So I monetize it in Facebook, and I also help get a steady traffic back to my website. But what I've also started doing is adding a 5th Reels video and linking it to one of my YouTube videos, which I'm also trying to grow on another channel. So here's actually that channel, and it's just really, I've had it for a while, but I haven't been growing it very seriously. And the thing is, it's very slow, especially in the beginning. So why not give it that boost, especially if you're someone like me that has a Facebook page that has a good source of followers, of traffic, to send them to these places, to help grow the channel, to help grow the video views, to help this particular account, this social media account, to start growing more, to start perhaps getting to monetization status, just like my Facebook page is. It's not that difficult to do. And so it's already starting to show results. And so imagine for a second, like I said before, a portion of this traffic that's coming from Facebook, let's say 1,000 extra visitors a month go from Facebook to my YouTube channel to help it grow. That's 1,000 extra views. You're investing in another social media page. You're helping it grow. Now, for me personally, I like Facebook because it's really been the main social media channel that I've seen the most success with, and I've shared before how to grow it. And the long and short of it is you post Reels videos in a post format several times a day, 1 to 2 times a day at least in the beginning, and that really helps you get a lot of reach. And once you get at least one social media channel growing, or rather going, with a lot of followers, with a lot of views on the content you post, then you want to start sending that back to your website, or in this case, maybe back to your social media page to help it grow more. And this is how you can eventually develop a good kind of different sources of social media channels and your website, each of which have their own reliability. Let's say that I have a Facebook page that has a lot of followers. This is one traffic source. I have a TikTok page that I have a lot of traffic coming to to my website. Maybe I have TikTok monetization enabled, YouTube, Instagram. You will then have way more stability in your online business because it will have more legs to stand on. And that's really the point of this video and me sharing this with you. Now, if you're obviously in the beginning stages of it, this is something to consider long term. I would focus on building one social media page at the start. So if, let's say, you're just starting to build your Facebook page, focus your efforts on building that the way that I explained, or maybe kind of like doing more of a shotgun approach where you kind of grow different social media channels, and then the one that shows most promise you spend most of your time and effort growing, and then once it grows you start channeling or sending traffic from that social media page to other social media pages that you're growing to help those grow faster. So that's really the point of this video. If you have any questions, I'd love to know your thoughts. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.